If you want to use the Pro mode in the camera on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, then once you open the camera over here, we should be able to switch to more. And of course, in here we can find the Pro mode. Above the selection of the lenses, we have parameters that we can of course adjust quite easily, and let me explain what they do. First, we have ISO on the left side, which controls how sensitive the sensor is to light. Low ISO keeps your photo clear in bright light, and a higher ISO allows you to help in low light conditions. But of course, if you add too much of ISO, if you set it too high, then you will see grain on your photos or noise. Besides that, we have the shutter speed, which is usually indicated with the S letter, and it decides how long the camera sensor is open to capture light. Slow shutter speeds allow you to let in more light, which is good, for example, for night shots, but it can blur motion, and fast speeds freeze action. Then we have the exposure with the plus with like an underline or something like that. And this slider allows you to adjust the overall brightness of your image. It's a quick way to simply make your photos lighter or darker. So you can move left and right in here. AF, or just F, is the focus. AF means that it is automatic. It allows you to set exactly what should be sharp in your photos. So of course we can focus on small subjects, or we can manually adjust it. Of course, we can move left and right to choose what should be sharp in your photos. And there is also the white balance, which adjusts the color temperature so whites look white and colors look natural. If you move to the left, we have this bluish colors, and if we move to the right, we have orange-ish. For all of these options, we can also tap on the manual that we have, or almost all of them. We have the manual option, of course, and if you tap on manual, we switch back to automatic. You can also tap on the eye icon on the left side in order to read a little description of these features in case you forget something about them. So if you wish to switch back to automatic, then of course you can easily do so. In the case of the focus, the automatic option is the center one over here, and the exposure is the only parameter that cannot be set to be automatic, but you can reset it to 0. And of course ISO can be reset as well, and the shutter speed too. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.